I'm pissed today. I'm sitting at home in my bonnet because I still don't know what to do. I paid these people $6,000 back in April for a business. They said anybody could do it. Obviously, anybody can't do it. Anybody can't do it. I'm still confused on what's supposed to be done. They got my paperwork straight, but I'm not making any money. I'm in a hole. I use my personal credit card. The people aren't honest about how long it takes to get your money back. They gas you up. Anybody could do this. Anybody can't do it. You have to have a business mind. And you think you paying them $6,000 to take care of your business, but they'll tell you, you can't do this, you can't do that. What are y'all, Jehovah's Witnesses? They'll tell you everything you can't do, but not telling you everything you can. Now, I'm not finna get dressed and go ask somebody what I already paid you $6,000 for. You see what I'm saying? Why would I get dressed, put my makeup on, my wig on, and march out the house still confused about where I'm going and what I'm doing? It doesn't make sense to me. But they want you to sign a non-disclosure, which I haven't said nobody's name, so nobody knows who I'm working with. So they can't sue me. But I'm just pissed off right now because I'm in the hole for $6,000. And my money is not here. You know what I'm saying? The more I've been studying, it's LLCs. 99% of them, I'm not going to say 99, but I think 80% of them are stagnant, which means everybody's like, well, go get your business license or whatever. You going and pay for this business license, but you don't have, you don't need a business plan. You don't need you need a website, a professional one, because nobody's going to take you serious if it's not professional. I did one by myself. I don't like it. My Facebook page, I did that myself. I don't really like it. It's not professional enough. So I already paid this other company, but I got to get my own website. I got to get my own Facebook to look professional. Like, what I'm paying y'all for? Okay, y'all filed some paperwork with the state for me, but the state ain't paid me back. I'm still in the whole $6,000. I need to be making some money. You following these gurus, they taking your money. I'm pissed. They taking your money and they aren't telling you the upfront obligations. They aren't telling you it would be best if you already had a business, knew how to run a business. Instead, they're telling you, you don't have to have that. Anybody could do it. We're going to start you off. So it's been since April. And this is October. So that's April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 7 months I'm paying out of my pocket, not making no money, because I'm not finna get dressed and go start begging nobody for no money. That's what I'm not finna do. Not when I done paid y'all to set it up so the money comes in. So be careful who you paying. Even these people lying to you, saying that they are professional, which they aren't. And then you trying to pay a black-owned business, and they not even working directly with you. You working with somebody else who's not even black. So I felt like if they were black, they would have my best interest at heart. Because I'm black and they will understand the business. But yet, they sending me emails every day. Or what you can do, how not to get in trouble with the IRS. With me not having the business mind, a lot of that stuff I still don't understand. A lot of that stuff I still don't want to be messed up with. So today I was relaxing. It's raining outside. And I was stopped and just got I was fine. And then it just came on me. And I got really pissed off. I was fine. And I got really pissed off thinking, like, dang, they haven't, the only thing they made good on was promises about paperwork. You have me good in the state paperwork, but you don't have my business up and running. I need for my business to be up and running for $6,000. You mean to tell me I paid you $6,000 to do just paperwork? You told me I don't have to have all this business phone number, a business address, all this stuff. But then on the website, they said if you don't have a business address, then you don't look professional. So you told me all this BS, and it's not true. You have to look professional. And then had I known how long would it take for the business to take off, then I probably would have waited till I had some more money to fall back on. So this time, I can, all my bills are paid. My credit is straight right now. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to fall in a hole. Well, I'm in a hole right now. Since it's been 7 months, they've officially pushed me deeper in the hole. Because I have no clue when I'm getting out. And I'm studying other people. And like I said, all these LLCs, people are stagnant. I did not pay to be stagnant. I paid to be on top. And a lot of the stuff I paid for, the people who are stagnant with me right now, they did it themselves. They did the paperwork themselves. So they still stagnant. So I started a nonprofit. And what I want this nonprofit to be was, you see all these people getting evicted. Even before there was the pandemic, there was older people getting kicked out of their homes after being in there for 34 years, 40 years. There are people 15 years in their home getting kicked out, losing equity to these people who are making millions off of your back, the money that should be yours. And they do not care. So what my nonprofit is called is Repair Us Group Fund, which means basically my nonprofit would be paying off houses 15, 20 years and basically taking up money and see if we had like a goal, 1 million people per month, paying $1 per month, we could pay off more homes. And then it's going to be a pyramid regardless but you'll have people on the bottom of the pyramid moving up because they have home ownership. Because what made a lot of people mad, when you buy a home, you got to pay property taxes. So a lot of the property taxes are the reason a lot of people are losing their homes, because they can only afford to pay for the home itself. They can't pay the property taxes. So me being a homeowner, it's a constant loophole, And then I refinanced my house back in October for a lower rate because my credit score was good for 2%. I went from 4% to 2%. Yeah, I got a lower rate, but I'm back where I started as far as my loan is concerned. So I'm still in the rabbit hole. I'm okay financially, but like if something happened to me today, my nephews, nieces and nephews, they don't have any property because the bank still owns this property. They got a busted, rundown car that their auntie could leave them. That's not what I want for my family legacy. Everything in my house is paid off furniture, but they need financial. They need property. They need to be established. And, you know, it's okay. You look at established, but you're not. You know what I'm saying? You're in a loophole. And I want a system where we get out, people who want out the loophole can get in the loophole. I don't like buying old used houses. When I first moved in this house, it was brand new. I'm the only owner of this house. So I don't feel like people should be buying old people's stuff. You get a house that's 100 years old. That house has been paid off. But the system got it so they can go make some more money on that one house that's already been paid off. Really pissed about the system, you know. And I'm pissed that the gurus they know how it works, but they'll lie to you, scam you into thinking that there's a better system out there when you can create a system, but it's gonna be hard. And I know that from jump, you know what I'm saying? Because the system is so messed up. Now, even if you can create a system that works, and somebody will try to buy you out of your system so they can get it back into the bad hole that it's in. But my problem right now is paying out of pocket. And I'm so disgusted about it because these people, I'm almost shaking. Well, I had some coffee too, but anyway. You paying out of pocket. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? And I'm up here thinking about, oh, I should get a coffee house and take the money from that and then use it on my nonprofit. Or I can do a shampoo, you know, just shampoo hair. I'm like, hold up. I already paid $6,000. I'm not seeing anything moving. Why do I have to come up with another system for the system I already paid for? I shouldn't even have to think or worry if I already paid an agency to take care of everything for me. And then once they get the money, then they tell you the truth about what's really going on. They tell you the truth after they get the money. We're only going to write one grant for you. And if it passed or if it failed, that's not on us. We wrote the one grant for you. That's not what you said when I first started. When I first started, you guaranteed everything. Now, all of a sudden, oh, the rules are different. So, I'm going to put this out, no makeup, in the house, watching TV and was feeling guilty, but I'm not going to get up and rip and run all over to take care of something that I paid for to be taken care of already. But anyway, so this video is for anybody who's about to start a nonprofit. Just know, when you're researching it, you're going to see all of the good things, and your thoughts are going to be good things. But there is a serious rabbit hole, and I think you shouldn't get into it because I do have cushion, a little cushion, but you shouldn't get into it till you have a lot of cushion. And you can wait at least a year before you see a return. Because I'm still here confused. I got to figure out who else I got to pay because I don't know this stuff. I went to school for sociology. And you know what made me mad in school too? Sociology is the study of everything that's going wrong. I already see what's going wrong. They don't have a solution team. You know what I'm saying? They tell you everything that's going wrong in the world, but you can already see that on the news. But you don't have the solution team. So college was a scam for me too. Anyway, I'm going to end this video right now, but I am pissed today.